let's make a reversible hair bonnet together. So we're going to use 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and then we cut. The measurements depends on how big you want it to be. It might be less or more. So after measuring and cutting, you're going to fold it into half, and then in half again. Since we're using 60, we're going to use 30 again, using our tape measure and our tailor's chalk. And then we mark and then join that line continuously, and then we cut. Just as I'm doing here. Since it's a reversible hair bonnet, we're going to use another material, but I'm not going to repeat the same the things that I did with the first fabric. We're going to truss on this fabric, and then we right sides facing each other, we try to pin them together, because satin is very slippery, so you'd want it to stay in place. And then you go to your machine, so 1 centimeter away from the edge. After that, you trim and you turn it inside out. I prefer to iron it just to stabilize it, and as you can see, it's a bit stable. You then take your elastic. The size of your elastic depends with how you want it to come out. And then you go to your sewing machine 1 inch away from the edge. And then you take your elastic, and then while sewing, you have to leave an opening that you're going to use to insert the elastic. And then also, please don't forget to pin the elastic, the other end of the elastic to the opening, because if you don't, and you start again. So I'll advise you pin it here like I'm doing in this video, and then you continue with your elastic, just that. And after this, you'll be done, I would say. So this is how you do it till you get to the other end. After you get to the other end, you just fasten the 2 ends. Use your sewing machine, or you just tie if the elastic is a little bit small. But because this is a bit big, I had to use my sewing machine. And then we're good to go. And then you have to close this opening. Make sure it's closed, and you have your hair bonnet, your reversible hair bonnet. Beautiful. Let me know what you want me to do to teach you again. And also, if you have any questions, please comment below.